Drivetech 4x4 prides itself on supplying quality four-wheel drive products to the market. So when we saw the standard of the rival four-wheel drive product, we knew that it was going to be a great partnership for our brand and for our customers. Right from the start, we've worked with Rival to ensure that the design and manufacturing process is suitable for vehicles here in Australia and New Zealand, and also complies with all the relevant safety standards.
At Rival, we use the modern technologies and our experience to bring comfort and safety to our customers' vehicles. Rival has been exporting to more than 50 countries globally, and today we are proud to be a partner of Drivetech 4x4 company in Australia and New Zealand. We do a cooperation on the product development, designing, testing, and together we are proud to bring the high-quality products made in Russia to Australian and New Zealand market.
For more information on the Drivetech 4x4 by Rival range, visit drivetech4x4.com.au.